Hey guys, it's Mary. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this dewy, glowy makeup look for the summertime. That's pretty natural, just besides the lashes. But I hope you all enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and Instagram, so you should go follow me on there. Without further ado, let's just hop into the video. So first, I'm going to be starting off with the Glam Glow Starter Moisturizer. Then I'll just be using the L'Oreal Magic Lumi Primer. Then I'll be using the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator just underneath any foundation concealer that I'm going to be using. Then I'm just going to go ahead and do my brows off camera just because it's my everyday brow routine, so I'll just link that down in the description down below. So next I'll be taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'll be using that on my eyes just to cover up any veins, as well as under my eyes to brighten my face.
Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me.
Now I'll be taking the Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I will be setting underneath my eyes and wherever I put the concealer, like on my chin and on some blemishes up here.
Call me as soon as you get this.
Now I'll be using the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer and the Morphe E59 brush, and I will be bronzing up my face with that. Then I'll be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Party. I'll be setting my face with the NYX Dewy Finish Spray. Now I'll be taking the Sun Dipped Glow Kit from Anastasia, and I'll be using the shade Moonstone, and I'll be putting that on my inner corner and brow bone for some highlight. And I'll be using the Morphe M509 brush, and I'll be using Moonstone to highlight my cheekbones, chin, Cupid's bow, and nose.
It's you and me and we making arrangements.
Then I'll be applying the Ardell Faux Mink Wispy Lashes. Taking the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Mascara, and I will be blending in my natural lashes with the falsies, as well as doing a coat on the bottom lashes as well.
For your mama now, I'll track you down.
Now I'll be using the shade Pure Zen from MAC. To top it all off, I'll be using the shade White Russian from Buxom. So I hope you all enjoyed this glowy, dewy, more natural look for the summertime. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and Instagram, so you should go follow me on there if you're not following me already. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.